Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a backup on the ReadEra application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the three lines at the upper left corner of the screen and go to the settings button. In the general section you can find the second option, the backup and restore, and here go to the second button, create a backup. Click to the plus icon and you can save a backup for the drive, or you can send a Gmail, Outlook, Discord, Bluetooth, Slack and other applications. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.